You can learn with Mikey.
Whoa! Hi friends! Hola amigos! It's your pal Mikey! And today I'm at the park, El Parque, and I have a special surprise to share with you. Come on! Whoa! Check this out! It's my new bike, Bicicleta! It's so cool! Do you know what colors my bike, Bicicleta is? Yeah! It's green, Verde, and black. Negro. So cool. I like these colors. Oh, cool. And look, I have a helmet. Do you know what color my helmet is? Yeah, it's yellow, Amarillo. I'm gonna keep it right here to be safe. So my cool bike has some really cool things on it. Look, I have some training wheels right here. Yeah, that way I can learn how to ride my bike and balance myself. Yeah, and look at my tires, mis llantas. I have a back tire and I have a front tire right here. Cool. And I have a pedal, boom, boom, boom. And on the other side, I have another pedal so I can move the bike. Wait, I'm gonna turn the bike around so you can see what's on this side. Look, this is a chain. The chain is what helps make the bike move. Cool. Don't touch a chain though, because it can hurt you. You gotta be careful. And these are handlebars. This is what you use to balance the bike and to steer it, to move it around. So cool. This bike in particular is called a BMX bike. That means you can do really cool tricks on it. But you have to be very careful and have a grown-up help you learn the tricks. So this bike, it doesn't have a back stop brake. Oh, a lot of bikes that you may be used to riding, they have a back stop brake, but this one doesn't. Like I said, it's a trick bike. So they have brakes right here on the handlebars. They have front brakes, Frenos, and they have back brakes, Frenos. So cool. Hey, do you think we should ride the bike around the park, Parque? Yeah, cool. But before you do that, you have to be really safe. So there are a couple things on your bike that you need to make sure that you have. For instance, this right here. Do you know what that's called? It's called a reflector. So whenever you're riding your bike, cars can see you with this reflector. And they have one in the back. Come here. Let me show you. Right here. I have a reflector right here. So cars can see that you're on your bike. Oh, and this is my seat. Silla. Gotta make sure you have your seat at a good height because you want to be able to touch the ground. If you can't touch the ground, then you can't stop yourself. So have a grown-up help you adjust your seat. Silla. And of course, we have our helmet. Do I put my helmet on my arm? No. Where did I put my helmet? Yeah, on my head. Cabeza. Cool. Well, let's put on our helmet. Are you ready? Whoa! That was so cool. Look, I have my helmet on my head. Cabeza. Now I'm ready to go ride my bike. Bicicleta. Are you ready? Yeah! Whoa! Oh, so cool. As you can see, I have training wheels on. That way I can learn how to ride my bike in balance. Without training wheels, I might fall off my bike. Caer. All right, so let's keep practicing with the training wheels. Whoa, you see how I'm using the handlebars to steer? Oh, whoa. And when I want to stop, I have to use my brakes. Whoa, mis frenos. So cool. Oh, whoa. Oh, gotta watch out for cars. Coches. Whoa. So much fun. I'm pedaling. Pedalear. Whoa. Okay, bye. Whoa! That was so much fun riding my bike, Bicicleta. And I felt really safe because I have all my training wheels on my bike. But I'm actually feeling brave today, so I think I want to take my training wheels off to try to ride my bike without training wheels. Doesn't that sound kind of fun? Yeah, let's do it. Whoa! Here's my bike, Bicicleta. And today I'm feeling really brave. Bravo! I'm gonna take off my training wheels so that I can ride my bike without them. Whew, I'm a little scared though. Asustado. Okay, so in order to take off my training wheels, I gotta flip my bike over. This is the part where you need to get a grown-up. But since I'm a grown-up, I can do it myself. Here we go. So cool. All right, well, I see that this has a nut right here. How can I take off a nut? If only I had a tool that I could use to take the nut off of this training wheel. Well, last time I snapped my fingers and my helmet popped up on my head. So how about we try that? Are you ready? Here we go. Whoa! Check it out! Look, it's a wrench. So cool. This wrench, I can use it to take off the nut. So here we go. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Everything fell off. So this little thing right here is called a washer. You put the washer first, and then you have to put the nut back. So I'm gonna use my wrench again, but this time to tighten it. So I'm gonna go the other way. Now, let's give it one good turn for luck. Okay, that means that the nut is tight. Apretado, so the wheel won't fall off. Now, let's do the other side. Okay, I'm gonna turn my bike around. Wait there. Now, let's take off this training wheel. Oh, cool! My training wheels have pretty lights, Luces. That's really cool. But I don't need them anymore because I know I can ride my bike without them. Okay, here we go. There we go. Now it's tight, apretado. That way my wheel, llanta, doesn't fall off. All right, are you ready to see me try to ride my bike without my training wheels? I'm not scared. I'm feeling brave today. Let's do it, yeah! Whoa, this feels a little different. Oh, whoa, without my training wheels, I can fall off the bike. Whoa. So training wheels, they made sure that the bike was balanced on the ground. So now without them, I have to use my body to balance the bike. So this is the part where you need to make sure you have a grown-up help you. A grown-up will help you balance your bike until you feel comfortable and ready to balance your bike by yourself. Whenever you ride your bike, you gotta make sure that you don't go over to one side, lado, more than the other side. You wanna have it in the center. You also wanna make sure that you can put a foot on the ground, just in case you forget how to stop. Parar, your bike, bicicleta, you wanna make sure you can put your feet down to stop. You see? So if I'm riding my bike, whoa, now I'm safe. So make sure that your seat is not too high off the ground where you can't touch the ground, all right? What you do is, you give yourself a nice little push off the ground, put your foot on your pedals, and you pedal, pedalear. But you gotta make sure that you balance yourself. Okay, balance. See? Like that. Like, whoa, I'm doing it. I'm riding my bike, bicicleta. Whoa, so cool. Whoa, 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 whoa. I kind of lost my balance there. But it's okay. Don't give up. Try again. That's what makes learning how to ride a bike, bicicleta, so much fun. Okay, I'm gonna try again. Here we go. Whoa, whoa. Okay, balance. Whoa, see? I'm doing it. Yeah. Whoa, that was so much fun. Yeah, I did it. Yeah, and you can do it too. Just make sure you have a grown-up help you so that you balance and keep on practicing. Don't give up. Yeah. All right, well, I'm gonna go ride my bike without training wheels now. Yeah. Did you see that? I used my brakes, frenos, to stop so I didn't run into you. Whoa! So make sure you know how to work your brakes, frenos, so that you can stop and be safe. Cool. Hey, can I show you something cool? All right, wait right there. Here we go. Whoa! Bunny hop. Whoop. Hey, thank you so much for helping me learn how to ride my bike without training wheels. Be sure to click the subscribe button. That way you keep learning with me. M-I-K-E-Y. Oh yeah, go to learnwithmikey.com so you can print out free activity worksheets. Bye, adios, pedalear.
Whoa! It's such a beautiful day outside. Such a great day to ride mi bicicleta. Yeah! Come on, ride with me. I wanna ride, montar mi bicicleta. Helmet on my head, training wheels on the side, so I'm safe. I push off the ground, I start to move, these pants go up and down. I'm in the groove, pedalear, pedal mi bicicleta. Pedalear, pedal mi bicicleta. Pedalear, pedal mi bicicleta. Pedalear, pedal mi bicicleta. Okay, today is a day I take my training wheels off because I'm feeling brave. I hop back on my bike. Whoa, this feels weird. I push off the ground, I start to steer. Pedalear, pedal mi bicicleta. Pedalear, pedal mi bicicleta. Pedalear, pedal mi bicicleta. Pedalear, pedal mi bicicleta. Me caí, I fell, de mi bicicleta. I pick myself up and I dust myself off. I hop back on my bike and I try again. I will not give up, I'm so determined. Pedalear, pedal mi bicicleta. Pedalear, pedal mi bicicleta. Pedalear, pedal mi bicicleta. Pedalear, pedal mi bicicleta. Balance, that is the key. Balancing the bike, using my body. I start a little slow, build up mi confidencia. I just need to have a little paciencia. Pedalear, pedal mi bicicleta. Pedalear, pedal mi bicicleta. Pedalear, pedal mi bicicleta. Pedalear, pedal mi bicicleta. I'm focused, I will succeed. I know I can do it, I truly do believe. Pedal, pedal, balance, balance, yes! I'm finally doing it. Pedalear, pedal mi bicicleta. Pedalear, pedal mi bicicleta. Pedalear, pedal mi bicicleta. Pedalear, pedal mi bicicleta. Thank you so much for helping me learn how to ride my bike without training wheels. I'm so excited. Now the world is my oyster. Adios.